Hello guys, on my quest to find stuff before I actually need it, I went and got a can of paint for spray out from my local store. It's Parts and Paint here in Barble. I like going there because one, he's very knowledgeable. Two, he's got tons of paint selection in the swatches, I think is what they're called. But I think I found one I like, which is going to be a Chrysler Deep Cherry Red Crystal. So what I have, or what I'm doing here, is I have a little skull I had left over when I was building the box. I'm going to sand it down, I'm going to hit it with some primer, and I'm going to paint it to see what the color looks like. Got some Tamco wax and grease remover to kill everything on it. And there's the paint, so you can see. Parts and Paint. This is in Barville, Kentucky, by the way. Well, Barberville, however you want to say it. We always say Barville around here. But that's what we're going to do. And the best thing is, if anybody local around here is watching this and you know Doyle, don't watch Terminator 2 before you go see him. He looks just like the T-1000. It's hilarious. Don't tell him I told you that, because I like the guy, but he might not like being called the T-1000, so. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sand this. I'm going to hit it with some primer, which the only thing I have is some Duplicolor engine primer, but it'll be fine. And then we'll take it outside, if there's some sunshine, and check and see how it looks. Now I'm not going to clear it because I think I want to do a flat paint job. Yeah, a flat, but I don't know yet. So we're going to have to find out, see how it looks, and go from there. So I'm going to sand this, and I'll cut you on when I'm hitting it with some primer. Okay, we got it sanded, hit with the wax and grease, blown dry. Now I'm just going to prime it with some primer here. Try not to paint this around anything. I want to keep looking pretty, so. You always gotta shake your primer super good, even the cheap can crap, but. Now probably when I paint the car, I will be tinting my primer red. Well, not red, but you know, I'll be putting red in the primer to make it cover a little bit quicker. So there goes the first coat. I'm going to do 2 coats of primer, and then I'm going to hit it with the paint, and then we'll go from there, see how it looks. I did the skull because it has a lot of different shapes on it, and it's going to help, like when you imagine it on your car and the curves and stuff, you'll be able to see it. Now again, this ain't like wet sanded and perfect and everything, but it will allow me to see how it looks. So I'll be right back after it dries. So now I've gave it an adequate time to dry. Oh crap, it's got 2 things on it. And so now I'm gonna shake up my base really good and hard, really good and long. Get this thing freaking super shook up. With all the metallic in this, it's gonna need it. And again, this is Deep Cherry Red Crystal. Good name. Maybe I can have them add just a touch bit more metallic to it, and we can call it Bloody Christine or something from a car. Custom color would be sweet. So, here we go. Skull's all primed. It's freaking dry. Ooh, that's got a blast to it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yep. That's going to be the color right there for sure. I'm going to let this dry now. I'm going to hit this with 3 coats. We're going to see it from there. See what it looks like. Man, it looks nice though. Just like that. And I wasn't planning on clearing it, but dang, man. It's just so nice. I might have to clear that. Again, you can't really tell, but you'll be able to tell more when I get it in some bright light. Let's let this dry. Alright, so I got the spray outs done. I was totally going with a flat like this. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get my phone out to put the light on it. But I don't know now. I was wanting a flat, just a flat, well, satin really. And if you can see that, that's the flat side. It looks pretty cool. I like it. But that clear side looks just so much nicer. Now I know the skull's like, you know, small and it's kind of sucky to see on. So I said, hey, should probably do a big one. So, as you can see, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's a real nice color. But the clear, I mean, it's drawing me to the clear. It looks so much better. I might even have them make it a tad bit darker. You know, like that dark, you know, just a little bit darker. But that was just a little quick thing trying to pick the paint here. And I also might think about throwing some pearl in it too. But as far as just a quick setup, that's what I was doing just to check out the color. This is a Chrysler color, of course, which ain't too bad. The first 2 I picked were Ford, and I said, not happening. So, thanks for watching as I try to do something here. There's some big stuff coming up. Cylinder head porting. Hopefully have a cam soon. And valve springs. The sub box will be getting done this year. It feels like I've been working on that thing forever, which I have. It's been like a year now. Around the skulls on that are just taking forever. So I'm going to try to get it done as soon as I can. And again, if you're a local guy in Barville, Knox County even, go see Doyle at Parts and Paints. He'll hook you up. Good guy. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.